Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna show you how to use Veeam on Linux. So let's begin. So first of all, so you have to take into consideration that I'm just giving you a basic knowledge. If you want to learn more about it, you can just go on man, then you can do Veeam, and you can find the description for it. I just have to quit it. So if you want to learn more, you can get more info on that. So I will be showing you what I'm gonna use uh, in my daily workflow. So that will improve my workflow, right? So first of all, what we can do to open a file on Vim is to type Vim. In most of the Linux distribution, uh, Vim comes pre-installed. So right now I'm using Kali Linux, so it's a default application. So I could just do Vim, then demo.txt, then we can do in there. So first of all, what I need to do is to get a number, right? So you can do set number. That's what I need. Then let's do uh I for insert mode. So I'm just okay. Hacker. So I could just use this text, right, as an example. Then, in order to exit out of this normal mode or insert mode, is to press escape key. Then you are out of that. Now you are not able to write it because I accidentally typed hi. So you can see I could not do that. So next one is for visual mode, and normally I don't use visual mode. So for this I could do edge. Edge is to go on a left side, right? And L is for right side. You can go up and down using J as a down, right? So let me just first of all go at the end, right? And then let me just copy this line. So I could use double Y for that. It's copied. Now I could go on insert, right? Insert. Let's do enter, and let's just paste it. How can I paste it? We need to go back. We need to cancel this by using escape key, and I could just use P to paste it, right? I could just paste it right like this. And if I want to go up, the key, this is J. So you need to cancel out, and let's go up. And if I want to delete this, I could just do double D for that. I could just delete an entire line like this. And if I want to delete a specific character, I could just do X for that, right? I could do X if I want to go back, and I just want to go at the top and go at the left. I just want to delete this, right? I'm just using X to edit this. Now let me just use U for to just undo this. Uh, After doing that, next would be to search a specific keyword. I could just do this slash, then I could just type for whatever I want. It just it is highlighting over there. So if I wait to use a character that's not here, so let's do we. It does not highlight anything. That means there is no word for it. And next one is shift plus R. You can use that to replace the word. So basically I want to uh, in this mode, right, in replace mode, you have to use arrow key to navigate it, because in order for you to replace the word, you just have to type it. So you cannot type it over here, right? So if I want to go back, uh, so I could just skip, then uh, I will be going back. Now you can use a command GG to go at the end, beginning of the file, and in order to go end of the line, you can just do uh, shift G and double G to go at the top. If you want to go at the end, you can do shift G. I think this is the basic that will help you. So one more thing is, if you just do the semicolon and W, right? And let's do enter. If I do that, then it will save my file. So if I want to quit it, you can do quit and exclamation marks if you don't want to save the file. If you want to save a file and quit it, you can do W and Q and enter. It will quit. So let's demo that without. Suppose I made I want to just let me just edit this. Suppose I made an edit, but I don't like the edit, right? You can do Q and exclamation mark. Then let's do enter and let's do demo the text. Then it has not changed it. Thank you guys.